Guys, welcome to exam pad. In today's class, I'm going to solve this quadratic equation and find the value of x. Okay, so now I'm going to solve this equation by factorization method. Okay, factorization method, and I'm going to solve the same sum by formula method. So which one easier for you? Follow that method and don't forget to comment which one is easier for you. Okay. So first method is factorization method. For that I am going to write this equation here. Okay, now I write the equation. So now I am going to rearrange the equation because actually the quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now I am going to rearrange this equation in this order: x square, x plus 1. So here x square is plus x square. Therefore, so I am going to write this x square as it is. Then plus 55 by 24 x. Then minus 1 is equal to 0. So just I am going to rearrange this equation. So if we see here, the denominator has 24. So now I am going to take LCM. Therefore, if I multiple 24 in the numerator as well as in denominator. Okay. Similarly, here also I am going to multiple numerator in denominator by 24. So now I am going to take the LCM that. Okay. Then this equation becomes 24x square plus 55x minus 1 into 24, 24 divided by commonly which number is here? 24 is equal to 0. So here 0, if I cross multiple this, therefore the equation becomes 24x square plus 55x minus 24 is equal to 0. This is what the actual equation we have. Okay. Now what we have to do for factorization method? First I am going to write the value of a, b, c when compare this equation with the actual quadratic equation. So just compare these two. Okay, just wait. Okay. Now compare these two. Here A is 24 and B is 55 and C is here plus, so here minus, so C is minus 24. Just write those values here. So I am going to write that here. A is equal to 24 and B is equal to 55 and C is equal to minus 24. Just I am going to write this. Okay. Then what we have to do? First step is I am going to multiple A and C. A and C. Okay. So the 24 into minus 24 which is equal to, we know that 576 plus into minus minus. So minus 576. The second step is I am going to create two numbers that will be equal to this AC. So if I multiple that two number, that is equal to this AC, and if I add the two number, that is equal to B. Is it? So in order to find the two value, I am going to take LCM for this number. This is for the greater number, right? So this is in multiples. So usually LCM, if we take LCM, this answer is in multiple. Therefore, I am going to take this value and find the LCM. So in order to know the what are the factors have. Okay. So first 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 8 2s are 16, balance 1 8. Again 2, 1 4 is 4, so 1 2 is 2, 4 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. And again 2, take this, 7 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 3 2s are 6, balance 1 6. Okay. 12, 6 2s are 12. Okay. 2, 1 2 is 2 balance 1, 8 2s are 16. Then 2, 9, 9 2s are 18. Then this was factored by 3, 3 3s are 9. Then 1. So here these are all the factors. So it contains plenty of combinations in order to get the value of 576. For roughly I am going to take here only 2 3s. So 3 3s are 9 here. If I multiple remaining all 2s, 2 2s are 4. Again these 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So if I multiple everything, 4 4s are 16 and into 4. 16 4s are 64. Okay. Now roughly I have calculated 64 and 9. So if I take difference between these two, that is 64 minus 9, I will get 55, right? Okay. So if I multiple these two, 64 into 9 is obviously we will get 576. So it has minus. So either this number, so in order to we have usually minus these two things. So if we see here, this is plus. So the greater number should not be in minus. So the lower number in minus. Therefore the two numbers we have found is 64 and minus 9. Similarly 64 minus 9. Let's check. We'll get this answer or not. If this satisfied, then we found these two numbers. Okay. Just I'm going to substitute these two numbers in the place of 55. Okay. Therefore this equation becomes 24x square plus 64x and minus 9x. Here x is no, just added that. Then 24 is equal to 0. If you see this two digit, here x is also common, 24 is also common. Okay, we don't know. Just take 24. Let's see what will be the answer we have for the another two digits. Okay, just take that. So I'm going to take 24x out. Then if I take 24 and 1x, here remaining 1x is there. So x plus, so roughly multiple with 24 and divided with 24. If I take 24 and x and remaining is 64 divided by 24 is there. Okay. So this is what the concept. Similarly here there is no common term. So I'm going to take that minus 9 out. So remaining is x. If I take that minus, here plus 24 divided by 9. Okay. So I'm going to assume 9 into divided by 9. So if I take 1 9, then in division 1 9 is there, no? So I'm going to write that. So I think you are clear in that. Okay. Now if you see this two digit x plus, so if first 64 divided by 24, just simplify these two. What answer will get? Check it. Okay. 64 divided by 24. First this both get divisible by 2. So in terms of 2 table, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Similarly 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. Then here 12, here 32. Here in terms of 4 we can able to cancel easily, or you can go to 2 itself. So just simplify 2. 1 2 is to balance 1, 6 are. Then 6 2s are 12. Again this was divisible by 2, right? 8 2s are 16 and 3 2s are 6. So hereafter we can't able to simplify. Doesn't comes in one table. So the both values. So 64 by 24 is equal to 8 by 3. If I simplify that, I'll get. So I'm going to replace that 24x of x plus 8 by 3. Okay. Similarly, let's check for 24 by 9. For that, I'm going to write the 24 divided by 9. So this both come in 3 table. So 3 3s are 9 and 8 3s are 24. So here also get 8 by 3. So now you can understand why I take the number out. Okay, now if you see here, both the terms have the same term. So now it is easy to take them out. So if I take, so just rewrite this. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this x plus a3 is common between these two. I'm going to take that out. Therefore, x plus 8 by 3 is common. I'm going to take that out. And reminding us 24 x is here and minus 9 is here. So, which is equal to 0. Now, I'm going to equate that with 0 separately. Therefore, what we have to do, x plus 8 by 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, 24 x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 8 by 3 from this equation. And here 24x is equal to, if this goes after the equal to, then the sign gets changed, it becomes plus. Then x is equal to 9 divided by 24. So, if this in multiplication, it will come after equal to, then in division. Okay, this operation gets changed. Therefore, we know that 3 3s are 9 and 8 3s are 24. So, 3 by 8. So, what are the two values I get? Here 8 is equal to minus 8 by 3 and x is equal to 3 by 8.